Thank you for completing your paperwork so far in the Randstad app. You are on your way to becoming an official Randstad employee. There is one more step to complete, and that is to finish the documentation paperwork for your I-9, what Randstad calls the Find a Friend process. By law, employers such as Randstad must complete an employment eligibility form to verify the identity and employment authorization of each new employee to work in the United States. This form is completed for both citizens and non-citizens and is commonly referred to as the I-9 form. You've already completed the first step into completing the I-9 form by providing your full legal name, address, date of birth, social security number, and U.S. citizen status. The next step is to have an authorized representative or an individual you trust who is at least 18 years or older upload a picture of the documentation you have chosen to verify your identity and employment authorization. This is where Find a Friend comes into play. Your friend can be your authorized representative. To proceed with your friend completing this section, enter their information on this page in the app. They will receive an email with instructions and a link to complete the I-9. To complete the I-9, they must select the link provided in the yellow box. Other links are provided in the email as well for additional detailed instructions. It is important to note that your friend must be able to physically examine the documents. Since a friend will be uploading pictures of your documentation, it is easiest for them to open the email on a phone or tablet with camera capabilities. Once they select the link to complete the I-9, they will be asked for the 6-digit code that was sent to your notifications in your Randstad app. After entering the code, they will be provided instructions on how to complete the I-9. They will be required to select the type of documentation you've provided, enter all necessary information, and then scroll down to upload pictures of the documents. Sometimes a picture of the front and the back may be necessary. Make sure your friend reads the specific document instructions and uploads whatever is being asked for. When all images are uploaded, your friend will then acknowledge they physically examined the documentation and electronically date and sign for confirmation. If for any reason your friend is not comfortable reviewing and uploading your documents, please reach out to a Randstad branch for help and they can upload the documents for you. You can find their number and email address by opening up your profile and selecting Contact Us. After a successful review, you will receive a notification in the app informing you that you are officially a Randstad employee. Congratulations! Now that your onboarding and employment authorization is complete, you can begin selecting jobs from the Randstad app and get to work.